Kaleidoscope is operating. Please clear the area. Kaleidoscope is operating. Please clear the area. Riders, I hope you enjoyed your ride. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a full and complete stop. At that time, you may unbuckle your seatbelt, remove the door pin from its locked position on the right side of the vehicle, and open your door. Watch your step while exiting, as the unit may move, and carefully exit toward Hurler. Please don't forget to collect your belongings. Thank you for riding Kaleidoscope, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together.